Module 1, Part 2, Functions, Covariation, and Calculus Triangles. Function Operations. In 2025, a home warranty company charged a homeowner a monthly premium of $73.25 and a fee of $75 per service call. You can see the receipt there on the right, showing the premium amount and the service call fee. Some prior knowledge will be helpful as we step into the next learning task. We can create more complex functions by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, or composing two or more functions. Many common functions, such as linear, quadratic, polynomial, and rational, can be created from power functions and constant functions. Learning task 1. Create a function equation for the homeowner's monthly warranty costs as a function of the number of service calls in the month. Identify the function type. The warranty cost function is a combination of a constant and power functions coupled with function operations. Identify the constant and power functions and associated function operations. Pause the video and complete the learning task before continuing. We start off by defining our variables. Let S be the number of service calls and C be the monthly cost. Because the monthly premium is a constant $73.25, and the service call fee is $75 per call, the cost equation is C equals $75 times S plus $73.25. This is a linear function with slope 75 and initial value 73.25. This function is the sum of a power function, f of s equals 75s, and a constant function, g of s equals 73.25. Let's investigate another engaging context. Fine art prints are often displayed in an artistic frame with one or more mats. The mat opening height is customarily a half-inch shorter than the height of the print, and the mat opening width is customarily a half-inch shorter than the width of the print. For large prints, the height of the print is commonly 4 inches greater than the width of the print, for example, 16 by 20 or 20 by 24. Learning task 1. Create a function equation for the area of a print whose height is 4 inches greater than its width. Simplify the function equation and identify the function type. The print area function is a combination of a constant and power functions coupled with some function operations. Identify the constant and power functions and associated function operations. Pause the video and complete the learning task before continuing. Let A be the area of the print in square inches, and W be the width of the print in inches. The print has width W and height W plus 4. The area of the print is given by A equals W times W plus 4, which simplifies to A equals W squared plus 4W. This is a quadratic function created from the sum of two power functions, f of W equals W squared, and g of w equals 4w. Learning task 2. Create a function equation for the area of a 3-inch mat that covers a print whose height is 4 inches greater than its width. The mat overlaps the print by a half inch on all sides. Simplify the function equation and identify the function type. The mat area function is a combination of constant and power functions coupled with function operations. Identify the constant and power functions and associated function operations. Pause the video and complete the learning task before continuing. Let A be the area of the mat in square inches and W be the width of the print in inches. The print has width W and height W plus 4. The opening of the mat is a half inch less, so it has width W minus 0.5 and height W plus 3.5. The outer edge of the mat is 3 inches greater than the opening, so it has width W plus 2.5 and height W plus 6.5. The area of the mat is A equal W plus 2.5, that's the width of the outer mat, times W plus 6.5, that's the height of the outer mat, minus W minus 0.5, that's the width of the inner mat, times W plus 3.5, which is the height of the inner mat. We distribute and end up with the W's This simplifies to a equals w squared plus 9w plus 16.25 minus the quantity w squared plus 3w minus 1.75. Interestingly, the w squareds cancel out, and we're left with the linear function a equals 6w plus 18. This linear function is the sum of a power function, f of w equals 6w, and a constant function, g of w equal 18. In your notes for your future forgetful self, record the standard form of linear and quadratic functions. Identify the power and constant function terms that make up the standard forms of the linear and quadratic functions, and the function operations that connect the terms. Finally, create multiple examples of linear and quadratic functions and identify the power and constant function terms of each. Pause the video and complete the learning reflection before continuing.